Bird enthusiasts across the country are extremely thrilled as migratory Amur falcons have been spotted around the Tata Dam in Lonavala. Wildlife photographers and birders have been rushing to the spot for a glimpse of the rare bird. These birds migrate in search of food and have been making appearances in the western part of India for the past couple of years.
Amur falcons are basically from Africa, and they migrate from there to our side, actually India, and then from here to Russia and back to Africa. These are the longest migrating birds across the globe. So imagine they are traveling from Africa, they have flown from there to here, they are hungry, they are exhausted, they are tired, so they want to refuel themselves, they want to eat and gather energy and then set out for their next journey. You need to know why birds migrate. That's the first thing. They migrate in search of food because, at this time of the year, the place where they originally are is almost full of snow. So they cannot get insects that they want. So in search of food, they come to a favorable climate.
Amur falcons enter India via Nagaland and are seen in extremely large numbers there.
Around this time of the year, you can see them in lakhs, about at least 1.5 lakh to 2 lakh birds in Nagaland area. And there the birds were killed actually. And people used to kill them easily, throwing a net, and easily they could catch a few hundred birds in the net. People used to make their living by killing the birds and selling the meat. But then as the conservationist birders took over the issue, some local NGOs took over the issue and they started educating those locals. And then the locals are the ones now who have become the protectors. I mean, those who used to kill, now they have become the protectors.
In 2018, I had been to Nagaland to witness the mass migration of Amur falcons in Nagaland. This is on the Doyang Reservoir in the village of Pangti in Wokha district. It's a spectacle, that is absolutely breathtaking. No picture or no video can do justice to what you actually witness. I mean, all the cameras, everything need to be kept aside, and you just have to soak in that particular moment. It's absolutely breathtaking and amazing.
From Nagaland, Amur falcons travel across central India to the west coast of the country. The area around the Tata Dam in Lonavala is a favorable habitat as numerous birds come to quench their thirst and feed on insects there.
And these birds, usually are along with the flock of lesser kestrel. Again, that is a beautiful migratory bird. Grassland at the backside of the Tata Dam and Tata Power Plant is a huge place. Maybe it must be around at least 40-50 acres of very wonderful grassland, and good red colored flowers are there. Because of this good habitat of grasshoppers and dragonflies there, not just these migratory birds, but some local birds also. Some larks, pipits, then you can say ibises, terns, you can see them there.
However, with numerous photographers crowding the area surrounding the dam, authorities of the Pune Forest Department have restricted birders to enter the area.
Private land belonging to the Tata. So people, should maintain some constraint on themselves. The bird is tired, bird is not bothered about you. It has to refuel itself. So, it keeps on foraging on the ground and starts searching for its food. And that is the time when bird photographers get a chance to photograph them. But photographers go as close as 8 to 10 feet, which is really... So bird is not getting disturbed by you. You can watch the bird at a comfortable distance. Why you want to go close to the bird? Then there are vehicles, running across the field there, destroying the habitat also. Along with this migratory birds, there are some local birds also which can be seen there. Some pipits are there, larks are there, Indian rollers are there, ibises are there, some terns are there, sparrowhawk is there. Lots and lots of birds, other birds, grassland birds can be seen there. So you need to preserve the habitat. Once you run your vehicle over the grassland in any rough way, you are going to destroy the habitat. Go and see it and do good photography. Please don't disturb them. That's it.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.